Are you launching your own business? That's awesome. Let's get you ready for the upcoming tax season. Don't worry, I've got your back. If you're a new business owner, pay attention. This is your survival guide. Here are 9 sneaky IRS audit traps and how to leap over them like a pro. Ready? Let's go. Number 1, double check your math. A tiny mistake can set off IRS alarms. Don't let a calculator error trip you up. Number 2, keep your business and personal money separate. Mixing them? That's a fast track to trouble town. Number 3, only claim deductions you can prove. No guessing or wishful thinking. The IRS loves receipts. Number 4, report every dollar, even cash. Playing hide and seek with income? Not a good game. Number 5, be clear on who's an employee and who's a contractor. Mixing them up? That's a penalty party you don't want to attend. Number 6, keep your tax returns steady year after year. Big changes? The IRS gets curious. Number 7, don't forget those 1099 forms. Send them on time and you'll be safe. Number 8, when in doubt, call the pros. Reliable accounting and tax services can keep you away from IRS audits. And number 9, keep rock-solid records for everything. Organized paperwork equals peace of mind. Dodge these audit traps and you'll be sailing toward business success. No IRS drama in sight. Let us help you. Call 650-208-5812.